Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today I'm going to do something I've never done before. So I've actually just purchased lifetime access to, I believe it's lifetime access, to Tangent templates. And this is an online software for Amazon KDP to help you create interiors. And the price is $59. I'm not an affiliate. And I've purchased this tool, well, basically 5 minutes ago, and I will go through it and you can join me exploring this tool. It's actually really the first time that I've seen it, that I've used it. I've also found a $10 off coupon code on another YouTube video, which is not my coupon code, but it will give you another $10 off. So if you're interested in using this software, which is completely online based, you can find the discount code in the description. It will then mean that you can get access to this tool for $49. And to my understanding, well, this is not a subscription. This is a one-off cost. And this should really give you lifetime access to this tool. And they promise that they continuously develop it. And I think that is a really good alternative to a subscription-based tool, where you sometimes just forget about your subscription if you don't use it anymore. So it is just a different type of software. And yeah, let's explore it together. So I talked about Tangent templates in my KDP income video of May, where I never heard about Tangent templates before. I've been using BookBolt for quite a while now. I'm very happy with that. But yeah, I just wanted to, sometimes also for this YouTube channel, I mean, one purpose of this is to try new things and to tell you what's working. So going forward, I will probably have something like an honest review about Tangent templates as well. What this today is really just an exploration of the tool. It will give you an idea if you're maybe, you're just starting in KDP, or you are already working on KDP stuff and you're not sure about getting this tool, then today might help you, because it will give you an insight into how this tool looks, and then you can make your own informed decision. Right, so let's have a quick look. So I've actually this is just 5 minutes ago I purchased this, and I thought it would be a good opportunity to create a video. So what you can already see here, that they've got some what they call Tangent interiors. So obviously here you can see different templates which are already ready-made. There's a little info button here, and what I already like is that it gives you a description of what each of this here is. So that is quite nice. It looks like quite a detailed description. So let's have a look here. White ruled lined paper. So it tells you that is the second most common lined paper in the US, which is good to know. Talks a bit about the dimensions here. And this is the standard for composition of writing books for elementary school kids. So, very good stuff here already, because I wouldn't know of all of these two here, which one would I choose. So let's have a quick look here. This is obviously no content or very low content if you just do a lined notebook journal. At the moment I do most of my KDP uploads are lined notebook journals, but I'm going to change that going forward, possibly with the help of this tool here. But what you can see here, you can select the trim size. I normally select 6 by 9 inches, but if you do something for a school kid, you might want to choose a larger size. I don't know, you probably have to Google the standard sizes. Here you can enter the page count if you want bleed or not, and then I guess it will create the interior. You can download it straight away. All right, let's have a look what other templates they have. So yeah, you can see grids here, dot grid. Hexagon paper is always useful, for example, as a background for coloring books, I think. Also, what I like here is the smaller hexagon paper, isometric paper, all sorts of things. Story paper, music sheets. Here for guitar lessons, that is very good. Yeah, so also different ready-made templates. Have a look through here. Garden paper, recipe paper. I mean, I never know how, do these really sell? But maybe they do. Book reviews, comic books, checklists, I guess they are useful. Annual planners, they are useful. So let's have a look at the annual planner. Right, this is a fantastic page to include at the beginning of your yearly planner, and could be the most used page in it. It has space for your readers to fill out the key events for the year and their main goals. All right, so I like these descriptions, because on some other tools that I've used before, you don't have them, and then you don't really know if you're a beginner where to start, whereas this really gives you some really good ideas. Now, I notice here you can select template packs. All right, it scrolls down here, then you can see template packs like mindfulness, education, paper games. Let's have a look at paper games. Right, so that is very good because then you can have an activity book put together. So 4 in a row, even with instructions here. Awesome. 3D tic-tac-toe. Really good. You could even use these instructions in your book, I guess. So that is very helpful as well. Paper games mindfulness. I guess that's all about meditating, body. Okay. Self-care routines. Okay. What else do you have? Dynamic templates. So I'm interested in these dynamic templates because I've read about them, which is the main reason why I actually went with this software here. Dynamic templates. Create your own prompts with tangent templates. Wide ruled line paper. Right. So select a font controls, page divider, include bleed. Okay, so you can add a prompt here somewhere. Oh, there, prompt data. Okay, so I guess you can fill this with something. Hello world, and I guess then it will be inserted there. So you can have your own dynamic templates. You can create it in this tool without the need of using a third-party tool, which is quite good. Here's a story paper. All right, so this is pretty much like a heading, I guess. Okay, I'll definitely have a closer look at this going forward. There's also a description here. All right, tangent templates includes 8 template styles that you can customize with prompts. Make prompt books, guided journals, and inspirational notebooks. So yeah, I guess one way you could do it is to have a notebook where, like this with wide ruled paper here, you could have a like a a citation or something inspirational here, but always make sure they are not they are not like copyright protected. You want to make sure that you have publicly available copyright free quotes. So then they've got the interior designer here. Interior designer. So 6 by 9 inches I would select normally. Bleed, yes. Margins. Okay, under 100. Okay, I don't know what happens then. Better, begin. All right, so this seems to be a proper designer where you can add text. Yeah, okay. Lines. Okay. Boxes and circles. So you can really make your own pages up. So I would normally use for example, Canva for that. But yeah, you can use this tool here as well. So if you don't have a Canva Pro subscription, you can just do it here and probably create a coloring book. They seem to have lots of images as well that you probably can use. Otherwise they wouldn't be in here. Pictures, icons. Okay. And if you click on these categories, you get to down to further images. So that is really nice. I'm going to certainly have a closer look at that as well in further videos. What else? Tangent builder. Don't know what that is. Right, what is that? What does a tangent builder do? Quick start? No. I guess here, what that might mean is you create your whole book where in the interior design you can create, for example, let's say various chapters of your book, or you have one part of an activity book could be a coloring part, then you could have a puzzle game part, and then you can probably in the tangent builder, you put them all together. So you create a 200-page book, and then you can add your interiors, and that will all add it together to an entire book. Maybe I'm wrong here, but it's certainly useful if that is what it is. But maybe it's something else. I don't know. I can't find out now in a few minutes, but that is how it looks like. So they've got a KDP helper. So this KDP helper seems to help you getting the dimensions for your covers and interiors. So let's say you want to have 6 by 9 inches. You want to have 120 pages. Paper type is white and bleed. If your design extends to the edge of the pages, select bleed. Yeah. Continue. Now that will give you all the dimensions that you need for your cover, right? And also it gives you a cover template download, which you can then use to create your interior, your cover, sorry. So you can, for example, overlay this, and I showed you that in another video, because you can get the template from KDP as well. You download it and you upload it, for example, into Canva, and then you know exactly which areas you need to fill and which areas you should avoid to fill. Now they've got a listing helper here. Well, what is that? Create better looking descriptions. So that is useful. Don't know though how. Right, what is it? If you make a number of books that have similar attributes, the tangent listing helper will speed up your upload process by automatically filling commonly used fields. To use it, okay, it's a Chrome plugin. Make sure you're using the Chrome browser. You can download it here. Download the extension here, download, okay. Log into Tangent Templates. You must stay logged in. Okay, looks like something where you can create a template here, and then when you have similar uploads, it will just fill them automatically, I think. It will certainly speed up your upload process. Category Explorer. What is that? Category Search. Searcher. What is that? Browse and search through KDP's listing categories. So I don't know. Journal. Let's see what comes up. Category browser. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, so you have these categories in KDP. So whenever you upload a book, you have to select a category. So we could select juvenile nonfiction. Right, activity books. See what happens then. Don't know what it does though. Just select this. Did. I don't know. Children's ebooks. I don't really know what the. Alright, it gives you some keywords as it seems. Okay. It gives you some keywords, this tool here. So how that works. I don't know. Paperback categories, but down here you can categorize by keywords. I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. It seems to give you some sort of keywords. Unfortunately, there's no description here. I don't know. General? No. I don't know. I need to find out. Pricing calculator. Right, this tells you if you have a page count of 120, black ink, your list price is $6.90. What does it tell you? All right, it tells you the royalties you earn for each marketplace, which is certainly useful. They haven't added Australia here, I noticed, so they will probably do that very shortly. And then more tools. Yeah, they give you some additional tools here. Quick mockup. Yeah, certainly some useful tools. Also trademark checker. I guess these are probably just links. I don't know. But certainly something, convert your images into KDP ready PDFs, which is useful. PDF inspector. DPI calculator, that's important as well. Okay, and what else? They've got instructions here, which I obviously haven't read. Looks like these guys have some video walkthroughs as well, so that is certainly useful. Obviously, I haven't looked at them. I haven't watched this before I purchased, but I thought, that's just how I do it. I mean, I actually studied engineering, so I always like to try things out before I actually read the instructions. You might be similar. And then there's some resources here, and I won't go through all of that in this video. I just really want to show you this tool because I've just purchased it. I'm always interested, and always excited when I do things like that. And, for me, it looks like a useful tool at the first glance. This is only a first glance. I haven't used any of these templates yet, but I mean, for let's say $49 lifetime access, it looks like a really useful tool that you might want to have a look at. And they promise that they will, they promise, I think in their videos, that they will develop it going forward. So I guess, if you are looking for something to speed up your KDP creation process, your book creation process, definitely have a look at it, think about it. I think $49, honestly, it's a really good price, even if you don't use it every day. Can't really do much wrong with it. I mean, if you look at some other tools which are on a subscription basis, after just 4 months, you have that cost already spent. So with this here, you've got lifetime access and video tutorials as well, which you can go through. And I will definitely start to use it And probably in a couple of weeks or so, I will give you an honest review about, how has it done. Maybe I've already sold some books. My goal is definitely to go into more content books, but for that, you need a little bit more time, which I currently don't really have, but I try to free it up. I really like to get more onto KDP and not just do no content books. But at the moment, I'm just doing it time and other commitments. So it just saves me a little bit of time, but I can still grow my business. So that's why I do this. All right, so hopefully you like this video. If you like more of these types of videos where I just test things and just take you through it while I just have purchased it, just not really a review, but more like an exploration thing, then let me know. Yeah, if you like the video, please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on my print-on-demand journey, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.